Various treatment options for cough will depend on the type of cough itself. Cough suppressants is of two types. Narcotic cough suppressant, example is codeine, and non-narcotic cough suppressant, example is dextromethorphan. Four main classes of mucoactive drugs are mucoregulators, example is Acebrophylline, N-Acetyl Cysteine, Macrolide antibiotics, Roxithromycin, Azithromycin. MUCOLYTICS, example is Bromhexine, Ambroxol, N-Acetyl Cysteine, Serratiopeptidase, Trypsin, Chymotrypsin, Bromelain. MUCOKINETICS, example is Bromhexine, Ambroxol. Expectorants, example is Guaifenesin, sodium citrate and ammonium chloride. Bronchodilators, example is Terbutaline, Salbutamol, Levosalbutamol. DEMULCENTS, example is Menthol. Medicines to relieve common cold symptoms other than cough are antihistamines, example is CPM or Chlorpheniramine Maleate, diphenhydramine. Decongestant, example is phenylephrine, and pain relievers, example is paracetamol.